If I can do it in 1 week, magre-resign ka?
Yes.
O sige, call ako. I'm telling you, pinapahirapan nyo ang sarili nyo. Ito, cesarean section, 23,000 to 58,000 pesos. Sa Fabella, 37,000 pasok. Sa Makati Med, 18 to 240,000. You're talking about 160 hospitals? Kayang gawin ng isang linggo yan. Pinapahirapan nyo sarili nyo. So, 2024, 7 years. So, last year, nilagyan nyo na lang percentage. Ngayon, November na, wala pa rin. So, habang wala yan, niloloko natin ang tao sa billing nila. Kasi announce tayo ng announce na don't worry, may PhilHealth, lahat kayo, membro, may zero billing, may billing, may ganitong programa, etc. Litong-lito na sila. So why don't we simplify it? Oh, so assuming we do it your way, when will you get the average?
Middle of 2026.
If I can do it in 1 week, magre-resign ka?
Yes.
O sige, call ako. Call ako. So, Mr. President, we will meet tomorrow and I will bring an IT expert. You bring the list of the 160 hospitals and all of this case rate. Okay? Sir, hindi pwedeng tungo-tungo lang dito sa Senate. Seryoso tayong pinag-uusapan.